Hey folks, David here. Today is January 13th, 2024. And today I went to the Greenburg train show in Oaks at the Philadelphia Convention Center. And I didn't get a whole lot of things, but let's see what I got. This is a pile of parts, miscellaneous stuff, couplers, some wheels. Bought some wheels maybe, they're a little bit big to fit this, but they might work. So got some extra wheels, some light bulbs for my Tycos, more couplers, horns for the diesels, whatever. There's some gears in here, other parts. I guess it's just a parts bag. It says odds and ends. That was $1. So yeah, pile of parts here for my HO stuff. Like I said, $14. I bought a Tyco Spirit of 76. I know that looks kind of rough, but well, I know I had the top of this somewhere. I'll have to look through my bags, but I know I got it somewhere, and I guess we're missing something over here. But the rest of this looks like it's in good shape. I mean, it's dirty, but it'll clean up. I like these, and I don't have this locomotive. Okay, so that was 10 bucks. And Lionel, I bought a Pennsylvania Lionel GG1. This has says number 2332. I just wanted a box car, and I thought this looked pretty cool. The graphics on there and the color of it and everything. So cool. Paid $15 for that. So the big thing that I bought today, boom, 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 a giant Williams box. Look at that. Comes with instructions and all kind of stuff there. I don't know what that is. All right, let's see what's in the box. If I can get it. Oh, if I can get it out of here. A Williams GG1. Pretty cool. $100. Williams. Got the pantographs up there in the box. Pretty heavy, I tell you that. Got 2 powered trucks in there. Nice. So that's all I bought today. That's it. Total damage was $139. Shout out to Dave from DA Griffin Hobbies, Nick from Nick's Crossings, Dackman, I don't know what his first name is, and Shawn from Shawn's Trains and Stuff. Met them at the train show, had fun. So thanks for watching. That's the Greenburg train show, January 13th, 2024. Happy New Year.